Dear students, we have already gone through all the areas related to ratio analysis. Now we are going through some of the important problems which are related to ratio analysis. Okay, then firstly we are referring liquidity ratios. We are going through some problems related to liquidity ratios. So before going through the revisions, it is compulsory that you should learn all the equations related to ratio analysis. Okay, then first question, current ratio is 2:1, liquid ratio 1.5:1, absolute liquid ratio 1.1. Stock value is given, it is 30,000, and we have to calculate current assets, liquid assets, absolute liquid assets and current liabilities. We know stock is the key factor. Okay, then stock, we know it is the difference between current asset and liquid asset. Okay, here current asset is 2 and liquid asset is 1.5. So stock is equal to 2 minus 1.5, that is 0.5, and the stock amount is 30,000. Based on 0.5 and 30,000, we can calculate current asset. Current asset value is 2, so current asset is equal to 30,000 divided by 0.5 into 2, that is 1,20,000. Liquid asset is calculated in the same manner. Liquid asset is equal to 30,000 divided by 0.5 into 1.5, because liquid ratio is 1.5:1. Okay, liquid asset is 1.5, that is 90,000. Then next, absolute liquid asset. Absolute liquid ratio is 1:1. So absolute liquid asset is equal to 30,000 divided by 0.5 into 1. Okay, 60,000. And lastly, current liabilities. Current liabilities is 1. So 30,000 divided by 0.5 into 1, that is 60,000 itself. Okay, are you clear? Yes. Next question is current ratio 3:1, liquid ratio 2:1, absolute liquid ratio is 1:1. That is, current asset is 3, liquid asset is 2, absolute liquid asset is 1. Stock is given as 20,000. Calculate current assets, liquid assets, then absolute liquid assets and current liabilities. Okay, you will calculate and give the answer to me as WhatsApp. Okay, send the answer in my WhatsApp personal number. Okay, thank you. Next question, current ratio 3:1, liquid ratio 1.5:1. Current liabilities are given as 10,000. We have to calculate current assets, liquid assets. Okay, it is done in the similar manner. Okay, current asset is equal to current liability amount is 10,000 and the value corresponding is 1, because current ratio is 3:1, so current liability is 1. Okay, then so the value is 1 and the amount is 10,000 for current liabilities. So current asset is equal to 10,000 divided by 1 into current asset value 3, that is 30,000. Likewise, liquid assets. Liquid assets is equal to 10,000 divided by 1 into liquid ratio is 1.5. So liquid asset value is 1.5. So 10,000 divided by 1 into 1.5, that is 15,000. This is another question. Current ratio 2:1. Okay, current ratio is 2:1. Liquid ratio is 1:1. Current liabilities amounts to rupees 50,000. You have to calculate current assets and liquid assets. How to calculate current asset and liquid assets? We have given the amount of 50,000 as current liability and the value corresponding to current liabilities is 1. Okay, then we can find current asset as 50,000 divided by 1 into current ratio is 2:1, so current asset value is 2. Okay, so 50,000 divided by 1 into 2. Then liquid asset is also calculated in the similar manner. 50,000 divided by 1 into liquid ratio is 1:1, so liquid asset is 1. Okay, so you calculate this also and send it to me in my WhatsApp number. Then another question, current ratio 4:1, liquid ratio 3:1, current asset amount is given as 20,000. We have to calculate current liabilities, liquid assets and stock value. It is done in the similar manner we have discussed. That is, we have given current asset amount 20,000 and the current asset value is 4 because current ratio is 4:1. Okay, current asset value is 4 and the amount is 20,000. So based on this, we can calculate the value of current liability by multiplying with 1. Liquid asset can be calculated by multiplying with 3 because liquid ratio is 3:1, and stock value can be calculated by finding the difference between current asset and liquid asset. So current liabilities is equal to 20,000 divided by 4 into 1 because current liability value is 1, so it is 5,000, and liquid asset is calculated as 20,000 divided by 4 into 3. Okay, then it is 15,000. Then stock value is equal to current assets minus liquid assets, that is 20,000 minus 15,000 is equal to 5,000. Another question, current ratio 3:1, liquid ratio 1:1, current asset amount is given as 60,000. We have to calculate the value of current liabilities, liquid assets and stock. You solve this problem and send it to me to my WhatsApp number. Okay, we are going through the problems again and again because ratio analysis is an important area as far as your examination point of view is concerned, and we have to solve bigger problems. It is possible only when we are very fluent in finding the ratios with the small problems. Okay, then it is very important that you write down all the equations in a single page and learn the equations. Okay, then thank you very much.